So this week's bike of the week is the 2020 Fat Boy. This year is the 30th anniversary of the Fat Boy, and Harley-Davidson made some anniversary special ones this year. They were all blacked out, limited edition, only 2,500 worldwide. We only got 2 and they were gone very quickly. We do though still have one vivid black Fat Boy left. We got this in not too long ago. For a long time we didn't have any in, and so let's check it out. It is an iconic Harley-Davidson bike. Now the Fat Boy is known for its fat profile, and this year, or actually not this year, but in 2018 when they redid the Softail platform, the Fat Boy got even fatter. So it's got the rear 240 tire, the big back tire on it, and it also has a 160 front tire on it. Check out that big front tire. So it is 100% definitely the Fat Boy. It's got the LED headlight on it, the Daymaker, updated front on it from 2018. And this is the 114 version in it. The big engine on it, hand adjustable rear suspension, so you can adjust the preload on that rear suspension on it. All of the bells and whistles, the monoshock that's available on all of the Softails. It's a beautiful bike. It's an iconic bike. I got a chance to ride it this year as a demo in the beginning of the spring, so I got some more time on it. The one thing with the big tires is that the cornering isn't as nimble as a more normal profile bike, but what I did learn was counter steering. If you counter steer, you can push it harder into the corners than you might expect. Now this logo on here is pretty cool. What I have right here, so this right here is not the original, but a copy of the drawing from Willie G when he drew the logo way back in the late 80s. And so this was the idea, and check it out. Yes, it still has that same logo. So this is the last 2020 that we have in stock. Come on down, check it out. You can take it for a test ride. It's available now at Trev Deeley Motorcycles.